Happy Wednesday, everybody. I got some OTC charts that hit my radar this morning. Quick note, I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own due diligence and take a peek for yourself. So when I go over the charts, it's the yearly chart I reference, the 20-day, 50-day, and 200-day moving averages. So if you want to look them up on your chart, that's what I am referencing. That's what I look at. So let's just dive right into it. The first one I'm looking at is AMFN, 11 cents. It closed at yesterday, up 18%. Absolutely beautiful chart. It's trading, as healthy as it can be. It's been riding the 20 and the 50-day moving averages up since about 3 cents a share. New eyes with it. Once it breaks 10-cent mark, you get a whole new set of traders that don't trade anything below 10 cents. We see that at 5-cent levels, at a penny levels in the OTC. So should have a new set of eyes on this one, and I don't see any reason why it can't continue higher. The next one is KITL. I've highlighted this before when it was making a nice run. It kind of stalled out, but it's back on my radar because it made some nice moves yesterday. Once it was testing 005 range, we saw some profit taking, which is absolutely normal, after a nice run it had. It bounced off the 200-day moving average, and it closed up over the 20-day moving average. If it holds that, I think it's ready to retest that 005 range and possibly move even higher. But definitely put this on your radar. The next one is EVLI. Closed at 0.34 cents a share, up 13%. Nice volume on this one. Looks like consolidation had taken place, and it's starting to work its way back higher. I think it's ready to test the 5-cent mark. That's key because, like I said, new set of eyes once it crosses the 5-cent mark. That new traders would take a look, and if they like it, they'll hop right on. It could help it continue higher from there. So. Like I said, the volume's starting to pick up, a lot of eyes, and I believe they just had a name change, and they're in the process of doing a ticker change as well, which, it's like a clean slate, fresh start for this company. I believe they're reverse merger into the mining sector, so definitely put this on your radar. The next one is SMGO, about 13.5 cents a share, 12% gains yesterday. It was pushed down by the 20-day moving average ever since 35-cent range. So it pretty much has found bottom, which bottom plays can be very profitable. People don't like to catch a falling knife per se, but once it seems like it's steadied itself and it's starting to move higher, it's great times, to hop in. And it looks like this one has found bottom and it's starting to move up. So the 20-day moving average is around 17.5 cents. I think that's a reasonable target if it continues to gain momentum. The MACD line has flipped positive, so another sign that this is going, in the right direction. So, got one more for you. It's ECOX, 0018 a share. Ton of volume. This was a trip stock a ways back, and it's making nice steady moves. I think around the 3-cent, not 3 cent, the 003 range, it kind of stalled out. It took a dip down to 0015. It tested the moving average. Made a nice, I'm just checking my notes, sorry about that, folks. So it bounced back, closed green. I think it's in the range where consolidation's over at this level and can retest those 003 highs on the chart. So I guess that's about it for now. Any questions, leave it in the comments. Love comments. If you like the video, check some of the other ones out. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because I have plenty of videos I've been starting up, and look forward to doing a lot more over, the next, moving forward basically. So have a good trading day, everybody, and I'll see you soon.